there, fellow seafarers. Let's clear up some of the biggest myths about crewing agencies, once and for all. There's a lot of confusion out there, and I get it. Some people think agencies sell jobs or take money under the table. Others just don't trust them at all. So let's break it down honestly, how crewing agencies really work. First things first, a crewing agency is not a ship owner, and it's definitely not a job broker selling contracts to the highest bidder. What a professional crewing agency actually does is help ship owners and shipping companies find, check, and manage the right crew for their vessels. Now this part is super important. Who pays the agency? Here's the truth. The ship owners pay the crewing agency, not the seafarers. If an agency asks you to pay money for a job, that's a huge red flag. No legit agency should ever ask you for job fees. So, what do crewing agencies really do behind the scenes? They collect and verify your documents, check your experience and certificates, match your rank and ship type, and send your profile to ship owners. They help with medicals, visas, and logistics, and support you during contracts. There are no guarantees, no selling dreams. Just matching real seafarers with real ships. Now, if you're not getting calls, it doesn't mean the agency is bad. Most of the time, it just means there's no matching vessel at the moment, or your rank or experience isn't needed right now. Maybe your certificates are expired, or there's a lot of competition. Timing is everything in shipping. Let's bust a few myths quickly. Myth. Agencies choose favorites. Reality. Ship owners make the final call. Myth. Paying money helps. Reality. It only creates risks for you. Myth. Registering means a guaranteed job. Reality. Registration means opportunity, not a promise. So, what should you expect from a good agency? Transparency. No job fees. Honest communication. Respect for you as a seafarer. And real support for your long-term career. If you're looking for opportunities, go ahead and register with us. It's 100% free. No fees, no empty promises, just real opportunities when available with companies that respect seafarers and maritime rules. Remember, a crewing agency should be a bridge, not a barrier. Stay informed, and you'll make better career decisions every time. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow for more real maritime knowledge.